There's a lot more functionality. There's a lot more customizations that you can do with Microvellum, even just from the prompt screen. The limitless flexibility that Microvellum gives you also means you need to have skilled staff and knowledgeable people handling the software. But after 2-3 weeks of training, the people are amazed at how flexible the software is and how custom they can create products just from the prompts without having to go into the back end and change things. We do a lot of unique items, a lot of unique projects that Microvellum allows us to do.
We treat every job, whether it is a simple standard kitchen, white melamine, we treat it the same as extremely custom, high complexity, walnut, custom painted product kitchen. We treat it all the same. Microvellum and our software setup here allows that to happen. We release a single work order in production. It is scheduled. We order the material, we order the hardware, produce it based on delivery date and material. Microvellum's extremely beneficial to us, but I sometimes take a step back and just appreciate that the software is powerful and I can do most everything in it